Mabuhay! Thank you for calling BTEC Hotel. My name is Angelica, your front desk personnel. How may I help you?
I would like to have a reservation.
Okay, ma'am, may I ask your complete name? Start with your surname, first name, and middle initial.
Santos Edlin S.
Okay, Miss Santos, may I ask for your date of check-in?
February 23, 2026.
How about for your date of check-out, ma'am?
February 26, 2026.
Okay, what time of room do you prefer, ma'am?
Deluxe room.
Okay, Miss Santos, did you prepare an ocean view for your deluxe room?
Yes.
Okay, this is for how many person, Miss Santos?
For 2 packs.
Okay, please hold on for a while, Miss Santos, as I check for any available room.
Okay.
Thank you for waiting, Miss Santos. Yes, we do have an available deluxe room and ocean view on February 23 to February 26 of 2026. For 2 people, our room rate is 10,000 pesos per night. Tip of complimentary daily breakfast buffet and a bottle of champagne during your arrival, so that will be okay, Miss Santos?
Yes.
Okay, Miss Santos, as part of our hotel policies, we will be asking for a 1-room night deposit of 10,000 pesos. So that will be okay?
Yes, it's okay.
Okay, ma'am. For your hotel policies, we do have following models of payment. We do have cash, credit card, bank transfer, as well as online payment through GCash and PayMayas. Which do you prefer, ma'am?
I prepared GCash.
GCash payment, ma'am. For our GCash payment, our details is writing the confirmation letters, but anyways, ma'am, for our account name, for our GCash BTEC Hotel, or with account number of 0911140, Miss Santos, may I ask your address?
Ay pare Candaba, Pampanga.
How about your contact number, Miss Santos?
965-8963-466.
How about your email address, ma'am?
edlin705@gmail.com.
Okay, ma'am. Do you have any request for dining reservation?
Like non-smoking room.
Santos, I'm going to repeat the details of your reservation. Your reservation will be under to your name is Edlin S. Santos, and your name is spelled as Echo Delta, Lima Yankee November, Sierra Alpha November, Tango Oscar Sierra. Your address is Calantipe, Apali, Pampanga, and your contact number is 0965896346. And your email address is edlin705@gmail.com. All small letters, ma'am. Did I get all information?
Is that correct?
Miss Santos, a confirmation letter will be sent to your email. Kindly download it and print it and bring it on the day to your arrival. That will be okay, ma'am?
Yes.
We just like to inform you that our standard check-in time is 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
Okay, noted.
Okay, is there anything else that I can do for you, Miss Santos?
Nothing.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Santos, for choosing BTEC Hotel for your vacation. And we hope to see you then on February 23. Have a good day, ma'am.
Thank you. See you soon.